I've been sensing in the last 4 or 5 weeks, the rare earth thing, their move didn't surprise me that much. And the reason why is it was kind of an odd thing. They finally got around to it. They always have to have the last word. That's what people don't understand. They always have to have the last word. And Tiananmen Square, people forget that's the monumental moment. It was all settled. Everything was done. The students were going back. When Deng Xiaoping and then when they sent the troops in, it was to basically said, we control this. We're in charge. You can leave, but you can't come back. The rare earth shot at Donald Trump was basically them telling Donald Trump, we're in charge. Therefore, we will determine this. Their problem was they misfired because Trump turned around and said, hey, stick it up yours where the sun doesn't shine. I'm going to have this fight. That was the mistake.